Ash, do the walk. Change your bananas to Japan. Some guy's gonna bang go, look at me! Look! I see Adam! Oh no! I'm awfully sorry, guys. He's on Barbara shopping journey on the way back. Let's go! Hold on!
Look, I'm gonna play 300 and die through the air.
Oh, we want to move back. James, you don't get started.
Smile, Marky!
Just be careful, yeah.
That was just a big blur. Oh, that's all.
It is, it's doing it.
Gavin! Smile for Cam.
Mark, can I have another
got my
picture of you,
star.
please? Proper one, like you in the
I
camera.
win at Woods.
Lovely. Well, James, I want an action shot.
Fucking James, that's awesome. That'd be good, but
I don't want to, I'm fucking your axe up.
it's not why, it's golfers, it's cool. It's going to take you forever. The only problem is that you're going to shatter your arm before you actually cut that.
Oh, shatter my face, you wood chickens.
James, do it a bit to the right of it.
Do it straight up, you have to do it straight up, look to the side. That's it.
But I want to hit it at an angle.
Nah, that's going to be about it.
Get in there.
Jump on it, James.
Wait.
Look, they're on.
Which bloke pushes the River Kwai? I want to be the
Whichever
Japanese.
the River Quinn.
I want to be the Japanese. Must be the
Okay, so oh, do you know what's going on?
I was Queen Latifah came camping with us.
No.
Oh, that was nice at the moment.
James, spoil that for a sec.
I'm going to chop this one.
I see that picture flew off and James straight on the
Look at his face.
No, he's watching.
Struggling.
He looks like an animated GIF. We should get this for MSN.
Golf's going to finish a job. What's next?
Fresh looking golf.
This one?
Oh, you make a choice.
It makes a whole different sound when golf.
Long play golf.
Oh!
Yeah.
Cut your leg off.
Can someone hold that?
It sounds metallic. I know it's the axe.
Yeah. I think the axe is going to come off.
can of Gelder.
Yeah. Your peaches. I want something to fire down. Have you eaten your peaches yet, Golf?
Oh no, my watch is going to make it awkward.
James, you there to make marinara, is that your drink?
What is... Oh. What the hell was that? I'm like Dennis the Menace. Motherfucker! Do you jump to the side then? Do you have it straight? That's the side. Oh, see how close that was? That was about an inch away. Can I have one more? Fuck, that's so close. James, you're well good at this. You practice.
I did it for a couple of times. I think the first one was lucky and the second one was too.
Come on, Dave. Come on.
That's probably the best fire we've made, like, actually technically.
Is this
Have you watched it?
Hey, Dave.
Oh shit.
So if I like kind of swing down from here, right? Swing down? No, jump.
That's alright.
Don't swing on it. Don't swing on it. Jump and bend your legs, you got? Don't be a pussy. Don't be a pussy, it's not even that high.
Stop being such a pussy.
No, I don't want to stay there, right? It's alright. Dave, I don't think so anyway.
Fuck you.
I don't feel shit, buddy.
You've got a long one, Dave.
Russell, yours is pathetic.
I can't believe how amazing that sword is. Like, can I feel the power of like...
Power of the ghost.
I feel like Excalibur. You know, I feel like I've just pulled this out of a stone.
Yeah. Russell's a bum bum. How old are we?
12.
It's amazing.
I'm quickest as well. I made it fastest.
I'm done, mate. I'm just finishing it off.
I don't like all these sharp objects about.
When I want to go through it. No, I'm not. No pooing in bed. What did you do? You woke up to me and shit.
I'll be angry at everybody. I don't know who it was.
Oh, Ash's got a little. I thought he was going to make a speech.
No. Trying to get the beginning of Men at Work. That weird bottle sound at the beginning. Russ, if you don't stop filming, I'm going to shiv you.
And if you don't stop shivering, I'm going to not stop filming.
Oh, yes, I should.
Oh, for fucking hell, man, you're going to cut your leg open.
Oh, fucking leg.
Just wait for Mark to card him.